Understanding? By cooling, at the atmospheric pressure is called condensation point. Is called condensation point of the gas. 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 Next, condensation is the what it is? Reverse of condensation is the what? It is a reverse of
Boiling.
boiling. That is what you should write. Condensation is the reverse of boiling. Condensation is the reverse of boiling. So for any substance it will take, always condensation point is equals to what? Boiling point.
Boiling.
Boiling point.
You should write it. For any substance, boiling point is equal to condensation point. Condensation point. So I can write it as BP is equals to what? BP is equals to CP.
CP.
BP is equals to CP. Example, what I can write? BP of water is equals to 100 degrees Celsius and CP of water, which is also equals to how much? 100
degrees Celsius.
Note it down. Any doubt, anything you ask me. Having doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Next.
No doubt, sir.
Again we have got a liquid state. Now again liquid to what we should go back?
Solid.
Okay. Huh?
Solid.
We have liquid now. Liquid to go back again. What it is?
Solid.
Solid. That is our process. Write it. Have you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So now let us go back again. Liquid to solid change. Fourth process. Liquid to solid. Liquid to solid change. So what is the process called as? Your mother will say, if you want ice, your mother will say that keep it in freeze. Keep it in freeze. So that solid to liquid to solid. What we used to call as? What we used to call as?
Freezing.
Freezing.
What we should call? Freezing.
Freezing.
We can keep in deep freeze. Is it yes or no? If you want to get the ice fastly, we'll keep the water in deep freeze.
Sir.
So that it will freeze us very fastly. Understand? So what is the meaning of this freezing? Remember, freezing also we can call as solidification. What we should call? What we should-
Solidification.
Solidification.
So many don't know. So the meaning of freezing means making into solid. Understanding? By cooling only. By again cooling. So if it further cools more and more and more, then the liquid will changes into solid. That is only called as solidification. So if you'll observe here, the process of changing liquid into a solid by cooling again. Understand? Liquid into a solid by which process? By cooling is only called as what we should call? Is only called as what? Freezing.
Freezing.
What we should call? Freezing. Understand? So for
Freezing.
example, if we take water again. So if we take water, what is the melting point of water? Anybody? Melting point of water?
0 degree.
0 degrees Celsius. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 0
Yes, sir.
now means in the sense of suppose I'm having a water at 10 degrees Celsius. What is the state of water? 10 degrees
Liquid.
Celsius. 10 degree. What?
Liquid.
liquid. Next 9 degrees, liquid only. 5 degrees, liquid only. 2 degrees also liquid. 1 degree also liquid. At 0 degrees Celsius, if we start keeping, what will happen? It will be converting into
Ice.
Now I will go with minus
Ice.
1 degree Celsius, solid. Minus 10 degrees Celsius, more stronger. Minus 20 degrees Celsius. So if you are going less, temperature is less. You can fridge, you can adjust your. Have you noticed it? We have a one knob, decreasing temperature.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if you are decreasing temperature less than, see, above 0, it is below 0, it is what? Solid state. Understand? So that you can observe at a midpoint, at a particular point, either it is converting into liquid, more than that liquid, less than that it is solid. So that the melting point of water is 0 degrees Celsius, as we know that. Now here we are studying what? Freezing. So that what we should call that as? Freezing point. What we should call?
Freezing point.
Freezing point. Now if you observe here, freezing point of water, how much it is? What is the freezing point of water? We should keep the temperature less than how much?
0 degrees
Less
Celsius.
than
0 degrees Celsius.
0 degrees Celsius. So that I can say FP. What is the meaning of FP, Darun? Darun, FP.
Freezing point.
Point.
Freezing
So we will take freezing point. So freezing point of water is also 0 degrees Celsius. So from that, can I say the freezing point and melting point of any substance is equal? Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you, will you accept it or not?
Yes, sir.
Boiling point and
Point, sir.
condensation point are equal, as well as freezing point and melting point are
Melting point.
equal for any substance. So now, what is freezing point? At a particular temperature where the liquid substance is converting into solid at atmospheric pressure is only called as freezing point. So example, freezing point of water is how much, Ra? 0 degree.
0 degree.
0 degrees Celsius.
For any substance, I can say MP, which is equals to BP. Is it yes or no? Sorry, MP is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to
Yes, sir.
not BP. FP. BP illa Pradosh, FP. So melting point equals to freezing point. That's all. So all of you write it now. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Write it.
Yes, sir.
Write it. Liquid to solid change. Liquid to solid change. Liquid to solid change. So we can say that it is what? A reverse of water. It is a reverse of what?
Melting point.
It is a reverse of what? Melting, not melting point.
Yes, sir.
It is the
Melting point.
reverse of melting. So from this you can understand one point. We can change the state of matter by two ways. What is the two ways? Can anybody say? We can change the state of matter by two ways. One is by heating,
Change in
and another one is by.
cooling.
Cooling.
So this is the way of temperature. Change in temperature means not only rise in temperature, also fall in temperature also. So rise in temperature, heating, fall in temperature, cooling. That is what.
Cooling.
So we can change the state of matter, any matter, by rise in temperature or by fall in temperature. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do it.
Yes, sir.
Right now, liquid to solid change called as freezing, correct? Right. The process of changing a liquid into a solid, changing a liquid into a solid by cooling is called freezing. So also freezing, another name of freezing. What is that another name of freezing? Another name of freezing, solidification. How many times I should say, right? Solidification, write it. Is called freezing or solidification. Is called freezing or solidification. Example. Water, liquid water converting into a solid ice. Liquid water, example, liquid water converting into solid ice. So this is an example of what? Freezing or solidification. Next you write freezing point. Freezing point. Freezing point. So freezing point, what is that? Right. At a particular temperature, at a particular temperature, a gas is converting a liquid. A liquid is converting at a particular temperature, comma, a liquid is converting into solid state. Solid state by cooling. Solid state by cooling. Solid state by cooling at atmospheric pressure. At atmospheric pressure. Manya, Samaya left are sitting with you.
Sir, 1 minute repeat,
Pressure.
sir.
At a particular temperature, a liquid substance converting into solid by cooling. Mamanesh, write the notes. By cooling at
Sir.
at atmospheric pressure. At atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is known as freezing point. Example, what is the example? Freezing point of water. What is that?
0 degrees Celsius.
Freezing point of water, 0 degrees Celsius. Freezing point of water, 0 degrees Celsius. Wrote it down. Freezing point of water, 0 degrees Celsius. Any doubt, anybody? You can ask. Is there any doubt?
No.
No, you're right. Freezing is the reverse of melting. 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 Next point. For any substance, the freezing point is equals to boiling point, melting point. For any substance, freezing point is equals to melting point. So you can write Fp, which is equals to Mp, or Mp, which is equals to what? Fp. You can write that is. Understand all of you? Yes or no?
Sir, for any
Yes, sir.
substance?
For any substance, melting point is always equals to freezing point. For any substance, melting point is always equals to freezing point. Is it okay, da?
Okay, sir.
So now, here you have tried main important statement. Note you keep. Note. The state of matter, note. The state of matter, note. The state of matter can be changed by changing temperature. So changing temperature two ways. What is that? By heating or by
Cooling.
cooling. So that is what note. Everybody must keep and make a box for this. So temperature means don't think that only increasing temperature. It is also we can call it as either increasing or that is what temperature means, hotness or coldness of your body. Maybe a hot or maybe a cold, we don't know. So the measuring how much it is, that is only called as temperature. Is it over? Now, for this today's class, we have to complete the diagram fully. So means forward and backward process everything. So let us write. Have you completed this? This statement is over or not?
Over, sir.
Complete.
Now, finally,
Over, sir.
under this statement, you should draw whatever I am drawing. You have to make it. So now first, what is the state of matter? First state of matter. What is the first state of matter?
Solid.
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 So whatever I will write, you write. Solid state. So it will go forward. Understand? Heat only. So what is this called? Heat. Heat in the sense of what? Melting. Melting. So we used to get something. What is that state, Ra?
Liquid.
Liquid state. So now again heating. Again heat. What we should call that? Boiling. What we should call?
Boiling.
Boiling. So what we used to get?
Gas.
Gaseous.
Yes.
Not gaseous. Gas. Gaseous state. Pronunciation and writing is more not gas state. Gaseous state. Understand? Solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. While somebody will ask what is the three states of matter? Solid, liquid, gas, you can say. But while you're mentioning state, solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. That is what you do. Now gaseous state what? Reverse. Cool. Cool means what it is? Condensation. What is that? Condensation.
Condensation.
Cool. Again, this is also cool. What is this called as? Freezing. So that is. So this is all you have to write it. Exactly right. Darun, you understand Darun?
Yes, sir.
Write it neatly. So if you see this, you have to understand everything. But here I forgot to keep arrow, reverse arrow you should keep. Reverse arrow, forward arrow and reverse arrow. Both should be there. Is it okay? Da? So if you'll understand this, so with this I will leave you. So the next class we'll go with the next concept called as latent heat and the latent heat of vaporization, latent heat of fusion. That is all we'll study in the next class. Thank you, Ra.
Thank you, sir.
Actually,
Thank you, sir.
till here,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, till here everything is easy. But next concept what we are going to study latent heat. That is the most important concept in matter. Means higher classes you will get matter. Understanding? So everywhere if you'll go +1, +2, everywhere, even in engineering also thermodynamics will be coming. If you'll go mechanical engineering or chemical engineering or understanding. So we used to get a subject called as thermodynamics. So in the thermodynamics also again, we used to get the same thing. So that latent heat is latent heat of vaporization, latent heat of fusion, very, very important concepts. Based upon that, heat transfer will come. Mechanical engineering, heat transfer, everything is based upon that one. So that very, very careful the next concept. That is all we'll discuss in the tomorrow's class. Thank you.